of rainfall. I'm going to start with relief rain because it's quite close to what we just covered. Now, imagine this is mountain. Sorry. Okay, mountain, sea. Now, we know in some places the wind can come continuously from the sea. Right? Can come continuously from the sea. Now, as air is blown across the sea, will the amount of water vapor increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase, like air picks up moisture, right? Air, warm, okay? This air usually is warm because the sea's temperature is not very cold. It takes a long time for it to cool down. So warm moist air come here. Now it means you have an obstacle called the mountain. How will it go? Go up lah, because it's what? Falls up, right? So you already understand the cooling, the condensing, right? The triple C will happen. What is the triple C? Cools, condense. What's the last C? Forms what? Cloud. Okay? And this is the dew point temperature. At dew point temperature, it will start to form clouds. Form clouds, right? Form clouds. Then, when the clouds cannot take it anymore, they will fall as rain. Fall as rain here. Okay, so because it keeps going up, right? Up. Okay? When the clouds cannot take it, it will drop as rain, fall as rain. Now we call this rain a relief rain. Why do we call relief rain? Now, relief means what? Relief means the highs and the lows, the mountainous regions. Whether somewhere is high elevation or low elevation. High altitude, low altitude. Steep slope, gentle slope. Falls upwards. Now, why will rain fall here from here instead of here? Imagine this mountain. Imagine this mountain, 4,000 meters high. 4,000 meters high. Now, usually at 2,000 meters, clouds will already fall. Usually, clouds will already fall. That's going to rise, right? But before it can even move over to the other side, it will have been too heavy already. Make sense to you?
Why will it be too heavy?
The clouds cannot take the amount of water being condensed.
But then
Primary school science, right?
yeah.
So before it can go to the other side, it is really too much to handle and it will have to drop as rain. Therefore, this side gets the rain. So question is, what if one day your mountain is so short, it's only 10 meters high? Will you get relief rain?
No.
No lah? Yeah. So usually this refers to mountains along the sea that are very high. Remember, okay, mountains along the sea, very high, plate tech. What kind of mountains are those? The Andes Mountains, the Rocky Mountains, formed by converging. Because they keep growing, correct? It keeps growing, that's why they get taller and taller. So now we close the link between the two. So as such, rain falls over here. But by the time this air moves over, it would have been dry, right? It would have been dry. No more rain, how to form rain? No more rain already. Okay? Now, so that's why this doesn't get the rain. So we identify these two sides of the mountain by calling this. Sorry.
No, it's expressway.
No. The windward side is when the wind comes to it. The leeward side is where there's nothing. No wind. Clear? Okay, stop there.